What's going on, everybody? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Love, KetoBrick.com.
Boom. Alright, we haven't made a Keto Savage Kitchen episode in a while, so we might be a little rusty. And this one is brought to us completely by Crystal's making. So, do you accept full responsibility if it tastes good or bad?
Yes.
Alright,
I
here we
take
go.
full responsibility.
Full responsibility. So, we have a tortilla, and for that you're going to need 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to cook it in. And inside you can put whatever you want. We are going to put 2 ounces of mushrooms, 1 ounce of spinach, 1 ounce of cream cheese, and 4 tablespoons of parmesan cheese. And we chose those ingredients because that's what we had in the fridge. So here we go.
And it's really delicious.
That's right.
So it breaks down to 542 calories, 46 grams of fat, 20 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, 6 of those coming from fiber, which breaks down to 76% fat, 15% protein, and 9% carbs. Did I do that math right? Sure did.
It's the first. You got the math right. All right, let's make it.
All right, so first in a bowl, we're going to go ahead and add the coconut flour. We can add the egg, and this is all just going to be for the tortilla, so you can just mix all 3 ingredients in the inside. Leave out the olive oil because we're going to use that to cook with. And you can also use like a nut milk too if you're, you know, not able to have the dairy.
Alright, y'all, so the next thing we're going to do is melt our Parmesan cheese and our cream cheese in a saucepan. So I'll just stick that in there and let that melt down. Alright, now that this is melted, we're going to go ahead and add our mushrooms and our spinach. You can saute them if you want first. We're going to kind of saute them in the pan. You can add some butter if you want to make it a little bit more fatty. Mix that in and get all that nice and tasty.
Alrighty, so now that that's all mixed together, we're gonna add the 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the saucepan that we are going to cook the tortilla in.
I call those cast iron skillets personally.
What did I call it? Saucepan?
Yeah.
Alright, just go ahead and pour that in there, and then you're gonna wanna, you know, spread it out so that it's flat like a tortilla.
Alright, now we've flipped our tortilla shell. We're going to go ahead and add our guts to it here. You're going to get all of this good to the last drop. Put some seasoning on there if you'd like to. Flip it on over.
Guys, this looks so delicious. Like, I just want to devour it right now.
Yeah, it does look pretty, it smells pretty good.
Creamy inside and...
Yeah, the creamy. I'm excited about the creamy. Moment of truth. Moment of truth, that's a big bite. I'm going in.
Definitely doesn't hold together like I thought the tortilla would. But maybe add just like 1 more egg instead of the double heavy cream.
It's pretty good though.
Is it more like a savory pancake? Like a crepe?
Kinda, like it looks like an omelet, but it definitely does not taste like an omelet. Like it's...
Well, it's supposed to be a quesadilla, so.
Yeah, it's got more of a quesadilla taste than an omelet taste for sure.
It's a savory.
Mm-hmm.
Yum, I want to eat it.
I'm digging it. It's got pretty good macros too. Right.
Yeah, you can also lower the carbs just by like not putting in as many vegetables or, you know, mixing around with whatever you decide to put in it. So have fun with that.
I'm a fan though, for sure. You get 2-3 more weeks until she can join in eating again. So getting close, but I'm gonna take advantage of eating all of it myself in the meantime. Catch y'all later.
Bye guys.